Hey everyone, my name is Adi. In this video we will learn how to draw windows in perspective. We already talked about what is perspective and the rules in the video about perspective. So in this video we will focus on how it affects windows. I'm going to use pens, but you can use pencil. Let's start with the rectangular windows. The first thing that you want to ask yourself is where are we standing in relation to them. The building and the windows are above us. We are looking up, and that's why the lines are getting closer to one another. The upper they go, the closer they get. The lower part of the windows is a bit longer than the upper part. If you want to, you can create one trapeze for the two windows, and then to divide it. The lower part and the upper part aren't parallel to the edge of the paper. They are in angle because of the perspective. The further the lines are from us, the more tilted they are. So I made the window on the right side a bit more tilted. The lines of the window on the right go to a different vanishing point than the lines of the windows on the left. The angle is different too. This window looks thinner. It's better not to close all the lines completely. First, because our eyes don't notice everything. Secondly, because it can make things look more claustrophobic and choked. And thirdly, it will grab too much attention to one area. Our brains can understand where the lines should be, even if they aren't complete. Because the frame is three-dimensional, we can see two of the inner sides of the frame. The sides we see are the one near the top and the one near the left side. Because these windows are to the top left in relation to us. When drawing the frame of the window on the right, we will see the inner part of the frame in the upper part and the right side. Because the window is to our right side. Let's add the squares. We see the windows from the side. That's why the center line isn't going to be in the center. The point of view changes how things look like. Part of the squares is hidden, so they won't be all in the same size. They actually aren't squares. They would have looked like squares if we drew them from the front. They are in the shape of a rhombus. The center line in the other window is going to be closer to the side. Also, the squares will be more hidden. I want to add this decoration. We are going to see the other sides of it, just like the frames of the windows. Because it's embossed, it will cover a corner of each window. In the windows to our left, it will hide the upper right. In the window to our right, it will hide the upper left corner. Let's move on to the arched windows. The easiest way to draw them is to start with the straight lines of the sides. When we look at arches from the side, the center and the tallest point of the arch will look like it isn't in the middle. So drawing the tallest point more to the side is important to convey the perspective. Try to build up the arch using short lines. The inner arch, the side of the frame, will get thinner next to the point where it touches the outer arch. Next time we will paint this with watercolor. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you don't want to miss part 2 or any other new tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will find this video useful. See you soon. Bye bye.